Have you heard of the silent wrath that struck Romania in March 1977? The Vrancea earthquake claimed over 1,500 lives and left thousands homeless, yet remains shrouded in silence on the global stage. Measuring a magnitude of 7.4, this quake destroyed countless buildings and left a city struggling to rebuild its identity. But the quake's true legacy was the obscure yet profound change in Romania's urban development policies. Transformations spurred not by recognition, but by necessity. As the tremors faded, a new chapter of resilience and urban planning silently began, laying the foundation for modern infrastructure. The tragedy of Vrancea serves as a reminder that sometimes it's the unspoken aftermath that shapes the future significantly.